Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your referral link on the Dasher app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and refer some friends to deliver alongside with you so that you can receive their referral link or bonus. How do you actually go ahead and find your referral link? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the three lines on the top left-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Account. Then, depending on the time of the year, sometimes there is a referral program going, sometimes there isn't. But click on Refer a Friend to Dash. Then on the bottom, you're going to find your share link. So click on that. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your referral link on the Dasher app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.